So you just got your SweatZ XM5 Earpad covers. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. Let's start the video. Okay, let's start. It's going to be super simple. I'm going to grab our SweatZ XM5. I'm going to use the 90s black design. We also have the Geo Gray design and a bunch of other designs and colors that will come out. It's going to be super simple. They are interchangeable for the left and the right, so it doesn't matter. You're simply going to fold it to the top, just like I did here. You're going to put it inside and flip it back on top. And if you have any indentations, you're simply going to stretch them out the way I just did. Then I'm going to do the other side as well. Flip it on top. Bam, that's it. Once you're done with your workout or whatever you're using these for, you can simply take them out, throw them in the washer, and everything is going to be fine with them. That's it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.